What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you the best Google camera for the Poco X3 Pro. So I've been using this smartphone since a lot of days now and I have made many videos about the Gcam, but this one is going to be the latest one. So let me just try to show you how to download the Gcam. Go in Chrome and search Gcam. So let me just start from the process, search Gcam, and once you search Gcam you get this website. Just tap on this website and here you will have a lot of Gcam stuff. So scroll down and here you will get this many Gcams. And you know what, I have tried so many Gcams and I can personally tell you, before making these videos I have to try like a lot of Gcams, like this one, then we have the Nikita one, MTSL, and then I'm gonna tell you, then I make videos where I can tell you which one to download for yourself. So if you appreciate the effort of testing, subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let's just begin to download the best Gcam I found out, that is the BSG G1 GV1X. So just okay, wait, I pressed the wrong button. Just press this one, and once you are there, just tap on the MGC APK, just tap there and it will start downloading. So as you guys can see, you can just press on download. I think I have already downloaded it, but I'm gonna download one more time. So here is the Gcam APK which is downloading right now, and it does take up a bit of time because it is a 100 MB file. But you know what, the quality of Gcam which you get, like the quality of photos which you will get once you have downloaded it, is gonna be awesome, like literally insane. So if you are new, subscribe, make sure you subscribe because I just love when subscribers increase. And yeah, there you go, my internet speed is also pretty fast nowadays. Yeah, there you go, it's working perfectly fine. In case you're thinking which ROM I'm using the Pixel Plus UI Android 12. I'm gonna make a video about that as well very soon. So once it's downloaded, tap on the APK, tap on install, and it does take up a bit of time to install, so just bear with it. And there you go, it's installed, and just tap on open. Now once you tap on open, give it all the permissions except the location. I don't like to give them location permission, so just don't allow, and then everything is allow. Now just press on done. And now there are some very important settings you need to do before you can actually use this Gcam. And the first thing you need to do is go in settings. In settings, you're gonna find a lot of settings right now. First of all, what you need to do is, we are gonna start from the top. So go in modules. In modules, the back camera, and do it to model, and then do it to Pixel 5. And here the frames SDR plus enhanced, use at least like 15, because below that the quality is not gonna be good. Again in 0.9x also do it to Pixel 5 and the quality to 15. So there you go. Go back, go in 1x, and in 1x also do it to Pixel 5 and do the frames SDR. Okay, wait, do the frames SDR to 15. There you go. Go back, go in front one, do that also to Pixel 5, because Pixel 5 algorithm is the best right now. They haven't implemented the Pixel 6 as of now. So that's one thing. Now once you have done everything in the modules, now what you need to do is, okay, I think it will restart. It's a random restart, I don't know how that happened, but yeah, I think the settings are saved. There you go. Now what you need to do is, you need to go in global, tap on global. In global, you need to select your smartphone. So yeah, first of all, let's select the interface and do it to Pixel 4 XL, not the 5 this time. Okay, then go in smartphone. In smartphone, do it to Xiaomi, and here you need to go in JPEG compression, do it to 100%. Now once you have done all of that, go to ND banding mode and do this to 50 Hz. Scroll down, and here you have the auto night sight, and make sure you enable that. So yeah, that's enabled. Go back, and now you need to scroll down in advanced. Once you are in advanced, what you need to do is, you have to enable this SDR control, but you don't have to touch this option which is activate SDR.net, because what happens in this option is, basically it is a newer method, but the problem is it doesn't work that well, it is not that effective. So make sure you always use the SDR control and not the newer one. And now you need to go in dropless JPEG control, enable this as well, and go back, scroll down. In videos, just enable 4K 60 FPS and focus tracking video. Once you have done all of that, go back, and here also you have to do some settings. So swipe down, and here you will see we have Google auto white balance, turn it to on, SDR to SDR enhanced, and yeah, just scroll down, night mode is auto, and they just turn off this raw option, because raw photos take up so much space, and JPEG is actually the best option for a lot of like people like me who don't want to edit so much like who don't want to edit photos in a very professional way, then just like switch to the front one. Go here, and here you will also find an option which is called auto white balance. And you know what, face retouching actually works, so I'm gonna show you an example real life right now only, and JPEG only, and there you go. Now when does the face retouching actually work? So let me just try to show you. So go in portrait mode and first enable face retouching, everything, and now let me just try to show you it actually does work. So I think that was a very hard shot to take, but let's see. So now what happens is, first of all, look at that incredible amount of detail and edge detection. But look at that, face retouching is working a bit, but it isn't working the way it should work. But you know, it does work. It's not like it isn't working. It is working, but not the way it should work. So yeah, it's kind of strange, and you can obviously edit photos the way you want. And the best thing is you have this black and white portrait which just changes the photo look. Yeah, there you go. Color pop was also not that bad. I don't know. So yeah, that's how face retouching does work in this Gcam. And let me show you some other features which do work, which are very important. That is, we have the night sight, and the night sight works absolutely awesome. And the best part is, do this to auto, JPEG only, and disable astrophotography. Astrophotography does work, but I can't show you right now, it's daylight. So yeah, you can disable it normally. And yeah, that's amazing. Now let's just try to take a nice photo of the watch I'm wearing right now and see how well the quality actually comes from the main camera. Here we have the watch. So as you guys have seen, I have not even tapped on the focus, and look at the quality, man. That's actually some really good damn quality stuff. So yeah, overall this is an amazing Gcam. Obviously we all know how capable Google cameras are, so make sure you subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, peace out.